Hey, it's Megan with WTI, and if I can use a food source to improve my well-being or just help me to treat any kind of condition I have going on, then that's the way that I want to go. And this Manuka honey from 100% pure New Zealand honey is something that I have been so glad to have at my disposal lately. I was sick over 2 months ago with a virus, but I am still coughing. Up until this point, I have tried all kinds of different remedies with very limited success. I have found so much relief and my cough is almost completely gone since I started taking this honey almost daily. On days when my coughing has been really relentless and persistent, I take this honey and I feel the results of it immediately. It is so soothing and I can feel the swelling in my throat really diminishes a lot. This is my first time trying Manuka honey and I have been so impressed while reading up on the potential health benefits of it. I would say it's very similar in sweetness to regular honey, but it has a much different taste than regular honey. I would say that it tastes very potent, but I really like the smooth and creamy texture of this honey. And the amazing recovery benefits that I was seeing from taking this honey really motivated me to incorporate it into my daily life. Anytime when I'm feeling under the weather in the future or I have another nagging cough, I am definitely going to be turning to this Manuka honey. But that's just my point of view.